Alright, so this is either going to be one of the most fun videos we do, or one of the stupidest. So it's really cold, and we need to tune this beast. So this is the ET967 with the EP pipe, and a set of 50mm billet carbs. So I figure we're getting ready to get rid of our pool. It's lived its life, it's ready to go to a better place. So I figure what better chance to test it. So what we're going to end up doing is this pool right here. We're going to shove that jet ski in it, and we're going to see if we can tune it. And one of two things is going to happen. We're either going to tune the ski, and it'll be ready to do backflips. And I told him if he does a flat water backflip in the pool, he doesn't owe me any more money. Or two, we're not going to have a pool, and I don't have to take it down anymore. What could go wrong?
Let's break some shit.
Right? Kind of sounds like a good idea. What do you think, Nick?
Got the seatbelt.
Good?
I'm perfect.
Good?
Yeah.
All right, let's go for it.
I got the seatbelt. Put me in, coach.
Here, Vada, you want to hold this?
You got the seatbelt, put me in, coach.
Look at this. I put it around both ears.
All right. Let's throw it in, and then Dave, you can hold the GoPro. All right.
I'm on extension cord duty.
Is the hood strapped? So at least when we get in, it doesn't sink?
Good. What's the plan?
Your seatbelt.
Up
It stays there.
Hey, Lord.
As the wife walks away.
What's going on?
And maybe, maybe the pool's gonna go down before we start.
I thought the pool was going with it.
Who's on the extension cord?
I'm on it now.
Hold on. Let me get this step to the ladder. Hey, Nick.
Hey.
Go talk to my wife for a second. See what she feels about this.
See how she interview her, Nick.
Interview.
You can interview her. I don't know.
No, it's all good.
There's a good chance you could win America's Funniest Video right here.
$100,000.
Babe, how do you feel about my wonderful idea? What do you think? But look at that T-shirt right there. That's advertising right there, right there.
Get out of my
Erickson
face.
Machine and Performance.
Get out of my face.
Oh, I'm more good on video.
Here, Nick. Dave.
I don't know how to work. How do you enter the pool though?
How to enter the pool.
Just right down the steps.
She's got there like 15 minutes. Recording. Okay. Alright. This is Mark doing it.
Where's the strap for this side, the ratchet part?
It's not. We're just feeding it through the bow line.
like a professional.
Yo.
Just trying to bust the pool out.
We're ready.
What angle do you want?
I'm gonna have hyper. Just over here.
This is going to be the safest angle.
Okay, that's. I don't want to go over there. Lori, don't stand there. That's not the spot. That's where he's aiming.
How do you know when you're about to have hypothermia?
Yeah, here, put this on.
What am I doing here? Buddy,
You're tying them together.
we got male to male here.
Yeah, no, just tie it.
I went to Boy Scouts. I skipped that part.
You better trust your sailors not there, Sparky.
How cold is the water?
Beautiful. Probably, you know, the high 30s. Nah, it's probably like 50.
Just tie it to this one.
Remember that little comment?
till the last possible second to jump in.
Remember that comment you made about shriveling up? Hold on.
Mark
You're gonna pull the flower box right off.
Oh boy.
Exciting.
Tuning and sex changing.
Everybody's laughing now. Let's see what happens at the end.
It's all good and fun until somebody gets hurt, right?
All good and fun till the wife kills you at the end.
Here. I'm cramping up. I gotta start doing fucking laps myself,
Cold
bud.
water therapy is good for you.
As I electrocute myself by knocking the lights
You
in the
using the
water.
ladder?
Should have jumped in, bud.
Dude, I'll give him a lot of credit for jumping in.
Probably better off jumping in.
Commit, bud.
You gotta commit. You gotta commit.
Some may have said commit problems, but
I think he
I
might
feel
be in a
right
better
there.
spot.
I'll give you credit. Hey, who's got the hood?
Very, very minimal water.
Good.
But why is it smoking in there?
No idea. Ooh. All right, fire up. Watch out.
I don't know where the smoke's from. Oh, mine popped out.
Can we tighten up that back strap a little bit?
Hold that. Yeah, the bus.
Before you guys started. Oh, he's fucking loosen.
All right, we're just going to do it
Oh
by
my
hand.
god. Puff the pipe.
All right, here we go. I can't believe it lived.
Now we can just move the pool to the side yard for testing. That's an idea.
Did it move or no?
No, pool's fine.
Still getting water. Wonderful scuppers.
Pipe's a little warm.
A little. Why?
We're going to have to loosen the valves. It's not spraying enough.
What valve?
The spray bar.
That back strap Timmy tied was like a joke.
I didn't tie it. You tied it out there.
Yeah, but you put like a fucking...
Wait, whoa, whoa, whoa. Did you tie it out there?
Yeah.
Like tie?
Yeah, double knotted.
Did you
bud.
say I tied? There's no tie.
Alright, Mark, don't blast the pump anyway.
Did he just say I tied? I looped it.
This is tied twice, dude. Look at that.
All right. We got some slack. We're not going anywhere. It's good.
I don't think that's coming
I
off.
don't know. I was standing right in front of it, so I have faith.
Vada, can you quickly
I have
just
the
go
la-
grab
I have the
a
lanyard.
13 wrench?
Want me to hold the camera up?
This?
Yeah.
Oh, 15. 13!
I said 13.
Said 15.
No, he said 13.
That's a
Did he?
13, 100%.
Might be the icicles in my ears.
Dude, my balls are so
Seems like it would be easier to do this if you weren't in the freezing cold pool.
Why is he so hot?
Because that valve isn't opening.
Should we eliminate it right now?
I mean, you're not going to hurt anything with fucking hot exhaust gas.
Water box is ice cold.
Yeah,
So
because
this
this
one's
one's
good.
spraying.
This one isn't. This is the old one too. This one's the one that was on my other pipe.
Business?
I got Vada's new Jetworks one on that side. It's not bad. It's fine. Did he tell you 13 or 15?
13.
I don't know
Good.
why I said 15. Perfect. These are good.
You want the camera back? Thanks, bud.
I think if we're going to go for what we kind of want, I think we got to move the seat a little more.
Want me to tighten it over
What
there?
you want to do?
Here, Vada, take the camera. I'm gonna go
I got all
tighten.
night. I can't feel my legs.
Yeah, at this point, I really don't feel cold anymore.
I'm numb.
I gotta go tighten the back strap so they can pull back more.
What are we doing?
So you think if I just put a different Jetworks on it, pipe would be nice?
Yeah.
You still have two Vada or no?
No, I needed one.
You need another one.
I got it.
Should we get that down?
No, because my nuts. If I get out of
Your
this water,
nuts?
I'm not
My
gonna-
nuts are damn near poking my taint. Talk about nuts.
Alright, right about there should be good.
Wait, what? Isn't that gonna blow the pool out?
Most likely, that's kind of the idea, no?
Oh, it's tuned. It's good.
Yeah, dude,
All right.
the plugs are cherry.
Another one, first try?
Sponsor check. Well, hold on.
Wait,
I'd love to say that this was first try. This definitely is not first try.
You know what I mean.
like 16.
Oh, we didn't need to tune mine. He got it
Although,
right on the money.
Filled a little bit when it went in, but it stopped. What, John? What do you mean?
It's inside the other half of the fucking strap.
Oh, he needs help. Jesus.
I need somebody to come here.
Jesus, Jesus, whoever did you pray to?
Somebody, Allah. Dude, it fucking pulled it.
Look at it. It's like chopped.
It pulled it into the other fucking.
Look at it.
So hold the hook. Somebody's gonna pull the strap that way while somebody pulls the hook.
You don't even have to flush the ski afterwards. I'm not cold anymore.
You see where it's stuck?
It's broke.
What?
It's stuck.
Stuck fucking like up your big ass out muscles, Magoo.
Yeah, but can't you just wrap it back around?
No.
No.
Bring it here.
Bring it.
Yeah.
What?
Hold on, let me just move the fucking tree.
Give me the one that's stuck.
This one.
Yeah. Just tie.
Pull it this way.
Yeah, that's going to make it more stuck, no?
Yeah.
Man, Madong.
Hold on. Why can't, hold on, stop. What? Why can't we just tie this right here?
That's what I was gonna say. Just lose it up there.
What's the big deal right now?
Untie it.
Just do that. Right.
Oh, loop it like that.
Yeah.
Like he's doing. Like he's doing.
I'm leaving.
Okay.
5 more minutes, and then no more noise.
This is the last pull. Love you, babe.
We're bringing the house down.
No, I had
he just
kids
jinxed
sleeping.
it. No, hey, this is the last time, or hold my beer. Never ends well. Thanks.
That's right.
Don't wake them up.
Yeah, last time.
All right, why don't you hang out for 2 seconds? We're going right now.
Why don't you hold his beer? We're gonna blow the wall out now.
Of course we are.
Look, Bana. Got the fucking lanyard on.
Oh my God!
How to get 300 gallons of water?
Dude, I got tidal wave.
Yeah. Oh my God.
The whirlpool. Are you done, Mark?
I'm soaked.
Why was it foggy?
Because we sprayed water into it.
That makes sense.
Dude, I can't believe the pool stayed up.
Yeah, why?
Dude,
Like the
Look at the
whirlpool,
water,
dude.
spreading.
Whoa.
cruising.
This.
Yeah, the pipe's hot.
You think?
Dude, that thing's healthy.
Let's tell. Give me the wrench.
I'm just upset the pull didn't break.
Me too.
You're fucking
I
soaked.
cannot believe the
I
pool
know,
didn't
I'm
break.
literally
Yo,
soaked.
what brand is this? Send them a fucking advertisement.
Intex, you guys.
Yo, you should send them this video.
What's so weird about this pool?
The liner's
This
faded.
pool's like 5 years
The
old.
pool's staying up another season.
Yo, wait a sec. I'm taking this fucking pool.
That's what I was just thinking.
I'll dig a hole and in-ground pool this bitch. What's up?
Dude,
That's ripped here, look.
yeah, that's from lifting the ski up.
Yeah.
Like my dog's not gonna rip
Dude,
it.
that bitch is money. Let me see the sulfur.
Should have Facebook Live this on Erickson's Machining
We
Performance.
gotta change that jetworks valve though.
Yeah, the jet works out.
In-house engine building, in-house tuning. What's up?
It literally in-house tuning.
Pool cleaning.
We're in the house.
Yeah,
And the pool service.
and dude, we removed at least a foot of water, for sure.
Oh yeah, that's on top of me. I know.
You!
I had to run, dude. Look at my ankle. Look, it's broken.
It's broken.
That's gonna be in the video.
Us all running.
I put the lanyard on. Not today, bud. Ski's going where?
when I hit the throttle and I just saw the
You know what the shitty part is, right?
So what did you do?
Getting it out of the pool is gonna be fun.
Yeah, dude, it didn't break, and now the water's really low.
Yo, where do you got a nice sharp razor knife?
Oh, you want to see it break? Did we still have that backflip?
This whole side. We still on for that
grab a
backflip.
razor blade.
You guys are gonna slide out through the hole like Ace Ventura and the coming out of the rhino.
I always watch videos of people doing it and how it never ends up to the guy with the knife.
Dude, you guys gotta be cold. I'm freezing.
I haven't taken on any
It's not that much really. Dude, we sprayed a lot of
Well,
water.
it hasn't taken on since it settled. The valve had kind of closed.
We dumped it in. You know, it was leaning back.
Spicy. It's a spicy meatball.
I'll tell you one thing, the water box and the motor, feel the motor. Motor's not bad.
A little warm, but we were fucking pinning it.
Yeah, no. How do you think that prop
They're like little loose, huh?
Well, no, that, I
He
mean,
was lifting the strap, I think.
we're lifting out of the water.
I was trying to push it down.
Yeah.
What are we waiting for?
Is he really going to try to cut this?
I don't know, but I'm cold.
Are we cutting it?
I think that's what his idea was.
Oh God.
If you got the balls to do it, I'll say it.
You got sandals on?
Yeah. Don't do it over there.
We gotta make cutting.
Do it right here.
Uh,
That's how we get the ski out.
well, it is downhill, but...
We gotta get the ski out through the hole. Hold on. Wait.
The lights. Someone needs to hold on to them.
They're on the ladder, dude. They're not going nowhere.
Yeah, the frame's not going anywhere.
Frame, it'll stay.
Well, can someone hold it?
I'm busy.
Wait a minute.
Let's go. Just go.
Oh, man. Oh, what was that?
Oh, that was a weak ass cut.
Hold on, let me help you.
Do another one. Oh no, oh no, oh no!
Yeah, you want to get the jet ski out? Get the boat. Get the boat.
Oh, Paul's gonna be so mad at me. All his toys are floating away.
Get out to the stand.
Oh my god. Whoa.
Give me some slack. Give me some slack.
This is what happens between me and
You just wrap it on?
There's enough water to get stuck in the air.
You got that stand?
Yeah.
That was easier done than I thought it would be.
Yeah, it was way easier to get it in.
It's easier coming out than going in.
Set the shit out of my yard.
Trying to get him murdered?
You gotta clear the water out.
Throttle wide open still. We made mud.
Yeah.
Hold on.
Hey Mark, you missing something?
Yep.
Let's chase them down river.
That was way more successful than I thought it was going to end up being when we started
A lot of
this.
other things could have went wrong. Stop. I'll grab the line.
6 inches.
I'll be driving before you wake up tomorrow.
Yeah, right. My yard's going to be flooded.
Oh, look, John, give me a little hand here. Walking the dog.